Well-needed shipment of medical oxygen arrives in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. With the well-needed oxygen level that the country requires, the Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has announced the arrival of a shipment of medical oxygen in Jamaica. The shipment will likely ease the shortage of the commodity, which had a negative impact on the island's hospital due to the dramatic surge in COVID-19 hospitalization. Bulk oxygen has arrived with distribution starting from 4:45 a.m., wrote Dr. Christopher Tufton on his Instagram page on Monday. The minister also shared a video of several trucks loaded with the supply of oxygen. Thanks to the public health team, customs and IGL for the collaborative effort, the minister wrote. Tufton further encouraged persons to get vaccinated to curtail the spread of the coronavirus. Over the weekend, the COVID-19 pandemic in Jamaica took a dire turn, with the Ministry of Health and Wellness confirming on Sunday that the country's hospitals were either running out or dangerously low on oxygen levels. This came at a time when the COVID-19 cases were surging and the people are turning up at health facilities with breathing challenges. The confirmation also came when Jamaica on Saturday recorded a new daily record of 929 COVID infections and an additional 21 deaths. The health minister in a statement said it's pulling out all the stops to address what is become a life and death situation at hospital as staff struggle to keep patients alive. The ministry explained that it was in dialogue with oxygen suppliers IGL Limited, which is seeking to have supplies increase between Monday and Tuesday of this week. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.